Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently by new method because Facebook has updated its interface. So by old method, you cannot delete your Facebook account permanently. So don't worry, I will show you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. But firstly, open the Play Store and here write Facebook and make sure your Facebook should be update. After opening it, you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then tap on setting and privacy. Then tap on setting and you will see in Meta Account Center, see more in Account Center. Click on it and you will see personal detail. Click on it and you will click on account ownership and control, and here you will click on last option, deactivation or deletion. So click on Facebook ID. After that, click on second option, delete account, and click on continue. And it will ask you some question why you are deleting Facebook account. So choose any reason. After that, click on continue. Again, click on continue. So there is ask some precaution before you delete. You can save post in your archive, download your Facebook information, transfer a copy of your information. After doing this, click on continue. Here you will write your password. After that, click on continue and you will see confirm permanent account deletion. If you want to delete your account permanently, then click on delete account. In this way, you will see that my account has been deleted. So if you re-log in within 30 days, your account will be again login, but after 30 days, your account will be deleting permanently. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.